Hello, I would like to do a ride report of Ride and Thrive. It's an event that Yellow Bike put on today that I was one of the helpers with, and basically Yellow Bike Project gave 15 women mountain bikes and had a workshop for them, like a basic mechanics workshop, and then a ride, like an escorted ride. That way everyone could try out their new bikes, get used to the way that they shifted and all that stuff. I'll put everyone that's sponsored in the description and skip straight to like the ride experience. So we rode down Springdale to Gavali Park, and we wanted to give them just like a little bit of dirt experience. So we did the little dirt trail that is just north of James, and then we rode back up Tillery. Today the high is 108. We were absolutely riding during the hottest part of the day. It was tough, but everyone was in such a good mood. Everyone was chit-chatty. I mean, it was like Christmas, but for bikes, you know? And it was so cool too, like the experience for me of getting to witness all these people that haven't ridden in a really long time get new bikes, try them out, have all those quick wins, you know, like, oh, I just figured out my shifting, awesome. Oh, I just did that little hill and it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, awesome. Like everyone was having all of these mini successes. We had to stop for water a lot, but it was okay because we just chit-chatted and it was really social. Oh, and I was impressed too because the dirt part, no one was nervous. I think one thing we did that was really good is we didn't over-explain. We just kind of encouraged, like, you can do anything. Your bike is pretty much indestructible. Just experiment. It's fine. The dirt trail is going to be so fun and so beautiful. And so people just kind of took it with that attitude, and so we didn't have a single person like stop during the trail or anything. Like they just, even one thing that was really awesome, they all caught on to calling stuff out and group ride dynamics really fast. And like, in fact, I think they kind of liked it. Everyone was calling out like, oh, hold or pole or whatever. And when we were on the dirt trail, there's like a root that goes across the trail, and everyone was like, root, big root, blah. But they weren't afraid of it. They were just having fun calling it out, I guess. You could hear thunk, 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 you know? So it was all really good. I definitely hope that I get to be part of volunteering for something like that again. I will, and I'm looking forward to the next one. So that's all.